Hello everyone, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to factory reset a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you're trading in your device and you want to get a new phone, or if you're going to sell your phone and you don't want any of your presets or any of your footage or pictures or anything like that left on your phone, this is a great way to reset it to factory original settings. So you don't have to worry about all of your content trading off to someone else or you selling it and someone else viewing your phone. So it's just a good idea to do whenever you're going to sell or trade in. So first thing, of course, you want to power up the phone. Make sure that it is full of battery. Sometimes the factory reset takes a lot of juice, so you just want to make sure that you have a fully charged phone and or at least over 50%, so this way the factory reset doesn't have any hiccups. There's a little tool that you need to have now on the Galaxy Note 8 and a lot of the phones. At the very top up here there is a little hidden area where your SIM card goes. Now your carrier may not have a SIM card. You're going to want to go ahead and take that SIM card out before you factory reset. And this little tool right here works out great because it actually will help you pop the door open. It's pretty rigid, so it's got a small little pointer on here. And I've already removed the SIM card, but what you're going to want to do is go ahead and there's a tiny little hole right here. And all you want to do is insert this in it and push down, and you'll see it kind of pops up. So once that pops up, you just pull this little plate out and your SIM card will rest right in here. So again, I've already removed mine, but that's what you're going to want to do before you factory reset the phone. So once that's out, go ahead and just reinsert that back in its little home. All right, so now that your SIM card is removed, we're going to factory reset. But one thing you want to make sure that you do first is you want to take off location settings. They recommend this, especially if you're trading in your phone. This way the phone can't be tracked or there's no tracking on the phone. And if you're going to sell the phone too, you might want to go ahead and do this feature, the step, just to make sure that everything's taken off before you factory reset. So just scroll down or pull down on the top menu. At the top right, you'll see a little cog. Go ahead and push that cog, and what it's going to do is open up all the settings for the phone. And these are things that you're going to go into when you get a new phone, but more importantly, when you're selling it or trading it in, you're going to want to go into this menu so you can reset the phone. So to remove location settings, first you're going to want to go into Accounts and Backup. And you'll see down here it says location. They don't really have a direct link for that, so I go ahead and just go into Accounts and Backup, and then locations here at the bottom. Press location, and you can see that it's on. So all we want to do is just click that, turn it off. It's going to give you a warning that say all the apps, device location for all apps is turned off. You might not be able to locate your device. Well, you don't care. You're going to sell it. So we're going to close that. It's off. Now we want to go back into the main settings. You can either do the back arrow here or do the back arrow up there. Now that we're into this main settings menu again, you want to scroll down and you want to go to About Phone, scroll up, and there's your reset right there. Now, there's another way to get in here too that you don't have to worry about doing to the About Phone. That just seems to be the easiest way to get in there. General Management will also bring you to the main menu where you can do the factory reset. So we're going to want to hit reset, reset all settings to their defaults, reset the network, reset accessibility setting, and then we've got factory data reset. So this is the one that we want to do when you're selling or trading in. This is the important one. This will actually take the entire phone right back to everything original, all new, as if it was never used. So we hit factory data reset. It's going to go through everything and tell you everything that it's going to set. So make sure you've backed up your music. Make sure you've backed up your pictures. If you have a new device, you've probably already transferred all this stuff to the new device. But if not, transfer it to your computer or transfer it to the new device. So this way you don't lose anything. Because once you factory reset, it's gone. It's all gone. All your apps are gone. So we want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the reset button. Go ahead and hit the reset button. Now I have a pin already set in my phone, so I have to put the pin in, but if you never set up a pin, don't worry about this step, it'll actually skip it. So once you put the pin in, if you have one, it will bring you to this screen, which is gonna warn you again, hey, you're gonna reset everything, you're gonna lose it all, just make sure that you save it somewhere because it cannot be recovered. So confirm that, delete all. It's going to want to go into your Gmail account if you've linked this to your Gmail, and you're going to want to put in your password because it wants to verify it's you. It doesn't want to verify, oh, my phone's been stolen and now somebody's trying to factory reset my phone. If you've forgotten your password, you can actually do a verify with a one-time email. So you can click on that and it will send your email. It'll bring you right to the inbox on here, which of course you have to sign in and go ahead and put your verification code in. So now that we've done that, the phone will actually shut itself down and it will start the reset process. Depending upon your phone, depending upon how much power you have in your phone, the battery life and everything, it'll take a little bit of time. Once it does that, the phone will reset itself and everything should be ready to go. So here it's powering back up. It's gone through some of its reset settings with the little Android, and of course you see right here it says erasing. So right now it's deleting everything on your phone and getting it ready for complete brand new factory settings. So again, depending upon how much you have on your phone, how much battery life you have, which of course you want to go ahead and set it up so it's full battery. This step takes a little bit of time. I've noticed that the better shape your phone is in, the quicker it goes. So just as an FYI. All right, so now we're at this point, and once the phone is completely factory reset, you get the initial splash screen, which let's go. And you pick your language, you hit forward, and you can go ahead and start setting up the phone to fit your needs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you next time.